I'm delighted to have you back, my cherished cyber scholar. Let's begin another thrilling session. The Transforming Content category is where you'll discover another 3 innovative tools designed to enhance your creative projects. Within the Transforming Content category, you'll find tools that enable you to reshape designs, add dynamic motion, and infuse artistic elements into your content effortlessly. First up in this category is the Magic Switch. Accessing Magic Switch. You can easily access the remarkable Magic Switch feature right from the design editing page. Once you're on the design editing page, navigate to the top ribbon menu, and you'll spot the Magic Switch option right there in your navigation bar. This incredible tool holds the power to translate your document into another language or transform your design into a different document format. The Magic Switch can be applied to all types of designs. Exploring the magic of language translation. Let's start with the language option. Start by selecting the language you want to translate your document into. You can choose to translate a specific page or the entire document, giving you complete flexibility. Here's a pro tip. If you want to keep your original design intact, ensure that you leave the option to create a copy unchecked. This way, you won't lose your original work, and you can also share the document in various language formats. Hit Translate after you've chosen the language and the specific pages you want to translate. Once the magic is done, open your newly translated document, whether it's in Spanish or the language of your choice. Feel free to make any adjustments as needed to ensure it's just right. Here are the 2 versions, the original in English, top, and the translated copy in Spanish, bottom. Exploring document transformation. Let's check out the document option. Magic Switch allows you to transform your current design into a Canva doc, offering various format choices. You have several options to choose from. For instance, let's try transforming one of my pages from the video design into a poem. Here is the video page. It might take a moment, especially for larger designs, but in almost an instant, you'll have a fully formatted poem ready to go or any other document of your choice. A new Canva document is created. The AI transformed my short sentence into a whole poem. I am impressed. Feel free to experiment with other format options to see how they turn out. Don't forget to review your new copy and make any additional design customizations as needed. That's the end of Magic Switch. Apply your newfound knowledge in practical ways, and I am hopeful you will join me in the next session. Switch is off!